did this become this, become this, become this?
Stay tuned so you can find out. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I did my lashes. Okay, so boom, as you saw in the intro, baby, my hair was a hot goddamn mess. So I washed it with Mielle Organics, Oats, and Honey line. Let me tell you, baby, it did wonders. I had my hair very soft and very manageable. So then I just went straight into it. After I washed and conditioned with that line, I separated my hair into 4 sections, baby. You see them? 1, 2, 3, 4. I was struggling. I ran out of clips, so we have to go ahead and get that young ponytail holder. Okay, so I'm going to work out of these sections. It just makes it easier for me to manage and make sure that I also am not hitting any knots. So I'm going to go ahead and coat my hair with a cream heat protectant. I'm going to work it through with my hands all the way down to the ends, and then I'm going to take my denim brush just to make sure that I don't hit any knots while I'm blow drying. Okay, because we all know 4C hair it do what it want to do. Okay, look at that brush, struggling, but it's okay, it got through. Don't worry about it. So yeah, so we get through, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna detangle, and we're gonna do this to each section. Okay, and yes, once my denim brush had did the job, I ran my fingers through my hair. I don't get to do that often with 4C hair, child, because it just be like kink kink. And you do that this time. So as I was running my fingers through my hair, just making sure I was finger detangling, making sure I didn't miss any sections with my denim brush. And once I was done, okay, I went in with my Foxy Bae blow dryer brush, which I did win in the Instagram contest. But I'm gonna tell y'all something, I love it. I'm so glad I won that contest. Like, baby, I went in and I did not separate my section into sections. I just went in and just went ahead and started blow drying, and it definitely did work wonders. Later on in the video, you will see that I went through and just went through and separated this section just to make sure that I had it all the way dry. But baby, you live and you learn. Next time, start from the ends and work your way up. My hair is kind of short and this brush is kind of big, and so we have to make it do what it do, baby. Okay, but this is where we are with the Foxy Bae blow dryer brush. Once again, love it, and it will be linked in the description box below. Okay, so boom. So now I'm finna do my whole motherfucking head, cause this YouTube magic, fuck you me. And then so I'm gonna part it down the middle, and I'm actually gonna part this into 2 sections first. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist that side up, and this was all done with just the blow dryer, y'all. I ain't did nothing to it yet. You know, I was able to get it straight, looking a little healthy or whatever. And now I'm going to take this other section, I'm going to split it into 2 sections, and then I'm going to work from the back, okay? From the back, from the back, from the back, from the back, from the back. I love that song. But, so then that's what we're going to do here. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in once again with a wide tooth comb just to comb out any potential knots. And then I'm going to bring out my handy dandy Time-O straightening comb. And I'm going to use this Heat Protectant by Fantasia. I looked up on that heat protectant and found it in a beauty supply store on sale. If you want to know how I really feel about the Time-O straightening comb, go ahead and click the link in the description box. I linked the video of the review that I did on that. It's actually a really good product. And so, yeah, that's that. So we're going to go ahead and spray a little heat protectant, because a little goes a long way and you don't want too much product. And then, so as it has gotten hot, I'm going to go ahead and comb straight through. And that's it. That's that. Boom, shakalaka. Straight through again. I'm only going to do a second run through because I want to get to the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and do another section. When you're straightening your hair, you want to do small sections because you want to make sure the heat is evenly distributed through your hair. You don't want any heat damage while straightening your beautiful 4C or 3 or 2 or whatever hair you got. You want to make sure your hair looks nice after it's straight and not fried dyed. And I only got half of my hair done because, like, what the hell is going on? But now I got my whole head done, and I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up these ends, right? So I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. Eventually I went and actually got this professionally done, but for the moment I knew they needed to be cut, and so I went ahead and trimmed those in and dusted them and cleaned them up so that this style could last. One thing you will know about having natural hair is a style will not be a style, baby, if them ends ain't right. It will make you look like not you, and that's that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up again. I'm gonna go through and just clean it up that way. There was no method to my madness. I just ended up just cleaning it up and cut it up a little bit, and that's just that. Okay, that's what I do. You ain't gotta do what I do. You can do what you do, but that's how I did mine. Because it definitely just needed to be cleaned up just a little. Now that my hair has been blow dry straight, I have went through with the Tymo straightening comb. I'm going to go ahead and go in and flat iron this to give it a little body, a little a little curl. I am using a Foxy Bae Marble Mini Traveler flat iron. I love this flat iron when my hair is straight. It works perfect. I can take it on the go. It fits my purse. It's just like everything. So I'm just going to go in once again, small sections. But this time I'm only going in maybe once, maybe twice. And that's really just to hit those roots a little harder, a little closer rather. And to also give my hair a little body. That's it. That's all. So the only thing about this flat iron is you cannot control the heat. So you do need to pay attention to how hot the flat iron is getting. Okay. And that's that. And boom, shakalaka. Who that girl? That's me. Baby, I'm going to go in. I'm going to fluff it up a little bit. And you said you want to know how that became this. Well, this is how. This is how. Baby, I love it, okay? I couldn't get enough of it. And I played in it. And I played in it. And I played in it. And this is what I got. Yes, make sure you hit that notification bell, baby, so you don't miss more videos of me and what I do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, y'all. Mwah.